Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're exploring a duo that promises to tackle fine lines, wrinkles, and the inevitable signs of aging. Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Facial Moisturizer with SPF 30 and their companion Night Moisturizer with Retinol. Both claim to work their magic on those stubborn wrinkles we all know too well. But do these two really live up to the hype? Let's take a deeper look. Let's start with the basics. Neutrogena is a brand we all recognize for creating reliable skincare products, and their Rapid Wrinkle Repair line is no different. These two moisturizers, the Day Cream with SPF 30 and the Night Cream, are designed to target fine lines and wrinkles with a powerful combination of retinol and hyaluronic acid. The Day Moisturizer has a broad-spectrum SPF 30, offering sun protection while treating signs of aging, while the Night Cream works overnight to reduce wrinkles and dark spots with its accelerated retinol formula. In terms of ingredients, both creams feature retinol, known for its ability to speed up cell turnover, stimulating collagen production, and reducing wrinkles. The addition of hyaluronic acid in both formulas helps to lock in moisture, leaving the skin feeling plumped and hydrated. For the daytime formula, the inclusion of SPF 30 ensures you're getting protection from harmful UV rays, something that's crucial when using retinol, as it can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Now, how did these products perform in real life? As a beauty expert, I've tested both formulas for a couple of weeks, and here's what I found. The Day Cream has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue, which is perfect for layering under makeup. I love that it includes SPF 30, so it's a convenient all-in-one solution for my morning routine. During the day, I felt protected from the sun and saw noticeable smoothing around my forehead and eye area after a week of use. The Night Cream has a slightly richer texture, which I really appreciate for overnight hydration. When I applied it, my skin felt nourished and plumped by morning, and I noticed my wrinkles, especially around the mouth, appearing less pronounced. I also noticed an improvement in the overall texture and evenness of my skin tone. But here's a caveat. Retinol can cause some dryness and irritation, especially if you have sensitive skin. I'd recommend starting slowly, using the Night Cream every other night to let your skin build up a tolerance. Let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, both creams are highly effective, thanks to their retinol-based formulas. The Daytime Moisturizer does an excellent job of combining anti-aging benefits with sun protection, which is a major win. The Night Cream excels in its ability to hydrate and smooth the skin overnight, leaving you with that soft, refreshed feel in the morning. However, the downside is that both products contain retinol, which, while great for anti-aging, can be a bit harsh for sensitive skin. If you've never used retinol before, you may experience some initial irritation or peeling. Also, while the packaging is convenient with its pump design, I do wish they came in larger sizes for the price, especially considering the small 1-ounce bottle. So, what about the value? Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair line is mid-priced compared to other retinol products on the market. But considering the quality of the ingredients, retinol, hyaluronic acid, and SPF, I think the price is justifiable, especially for the Day Cream with its built-in sun protection. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, Olay's Retinol 24 line offers a great value with similar ingredients at a lower price point. For a more luxurious option, the Rosy Retinol Correction line is a solid alternative that offers potent retinol with visible results. Both products are similarly effective in reducing wrinkles and improving skin texture. When it comes to build quality, I do appreciate the sleek and functional packaging of both products. The pump bottle is great for dispensing just the right amount of product without wastage. As for longevity, with consistent use, I've noticed visible results within a week, and both products should last for about a month if used as directed. In terms of customer support, Neutrogena generally has a strong reputation for standing behind their products. They offer a 60-day return policy on most products, which is a nice added assurance if you're trying these out for the first time. To wrap things up, Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Facial Moisturizer and Night Moisturizer are effective, reliable products for anyone looking to target fine lines and wrinkles with the power of retinol. The Daytime Moisturizer's added SPF 30 is a standout feature, and the night cream delivers impressive hydration and smoothness. However, sensitive skin types should proceed with caution and build up to nightly use. If you're looking for powerful anti-aging solutions that are effective and easy to incorporate into your daily routine, these might be the products for you. However, if you have more sensitive skin, you might want to explore alternatives that offer a gentler approach. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box.